reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. It's worth it. You can have
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This morning I am down the local river and come down to a pretty well known spot, but I'm just fishing this one. Yep. Jack! Look at that, first cast. Not a bad fish either. Yeah, it's not massive, but fish is a fish. It's a nice looking one too. Do the right thing and get the net out. What a way to start the morning. Nice. Beautiful wee fish. Now, it's not the biggest fish on the river, but a nice wee one at that. And that's just come on the 3-inch paddle tail soft plastic. And generally my go-to soft plastic for this time of year. Look at that. Not a bad way to start the morning. Off he goes, just cruises back off. Oh, well camouflaged though. But yeah, as I was saying, come down to the local river and just fishing some soft plastics and the wee runs and stuff. Caught him on a silver paddle tail. I like fishing the paddle tails, it's got a wee bit more action. Oh, a wee bit more action and movement. Right there. Just pulled hooks on a fish then. Wasn't the biggest one, probably about the same size as the other one that I caught. Bit of a bugger though. He come from where I thought there would be a fish as well. It's just that real, you can see the drop off, eh? Yeah. Lines up along. Yeah. So currently at the moment we're just walking down to the beach. Bit of a beach down here that generally fishes alright. Haven't seen any fish rising yet, so I'm not sure. It's a bit early on in the season, or there's not a hatch going. But oh, there's a fish that rose over there. funny that. But it's going to fish down here. Generally does alright, and hopefully we can pull a big one out. Alright. Shit, it's grown and since I've been here last. I suppose it was last season. Alright, through. Yeah, not bad size. Oh. He's not too big. Yeah, gotcha. It's not the biggest fish, but
I thought it was way bigger. I could its belly come up.
yeah. Where do you reckon you can get him?
Oh, you just lie down, mate. You can put it down there.
Oh yeah. A bit bigger than the other one.
Yeah, I'll leave that. Oh, put it there.
Oh yeah. They're nice wee fish though. Yeah. Nice. Sweet.
Yeah.
Because I felt my line hit the tree.
Yeah.
So I was like, nah, game over. But no. Is that in there quite good, is it?
Yeah.
Do you reckon you can get it out?
Yeah.
And he got away. Oh, bloody hell, Jack. Can't show him to the camera. Hang on, that hook's still in there. Oh, well. I landed him. Just didn't get to show him to the camera. Oh well, it's probably like £2, yeah. That soft bait's getting pretty demolished, so it's almost time for a new one, I think.
Yeah,
Well,
soft bait's on sitting on my dickhead right.
But I think we can salvage another fish from it, so. Right. Ah well.
Don't know.
Right. Let's cast in here. Fish has got me in the snag. Can I get him out? Oh, can I get him out? No way, did I get him out? Oh, I got him out. I don't know. That's not bad size. Holy shit, that fish smoked me. Pretty good size, that one, eh?
No complaint.
Might be £3. Just want to get in there. Far out. Nice. Bring him up here. Get a photo of this one this time.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a good fish.
Yeah, might be 3.
Yeah, he's £3. There we go, guys. It'll be £3. Off he goes. Woohoo! Pretty happy with that fish. Don't have scales, but it'd probably be, I don't know, close to £3. It's not a bad wee fish. He took me straight into the snags, and I honestly thought it was game over. But no, I got him out. Don't know how, but I did. Made it to the beach. It's looking good too. Such a nice day. Warm, sunny skies, a little bit overcast. It's like perfect conditions. Well guys, that wind's picked up quite a bit now, and yeah, we've done quite a bit of fishing. Not a bad morning session. I think I caught 4. I don't think Jack caught anything, but it's all good. No, good fun to get out anyway and have a crack at the river for the first time for the season. So it's in good condition. Hopefully I can come out again and catch some more fish for you guys. So cheers for watching this video, and until next time, tight lines.